The first thing is change happens. You cannot avoid change. Change will happen whether you like it or not. Today you have a set of customers, you have a set of business, you have a regular business coming in, but you have to always understand Ambassador also closed down, Kodak also closed down. These were all market leaders once upon a time. Harley Davidson is out of India, Ford has left India. Simple, they did not change with the time. If you don't have originality and if you're not consistently changing, if you're not continuously going out of your comfort zone, जो नहीं पसंद है वो करना जरूरी, जो चीज से डर लगता है वो करना जरूरी. What are you afraid of? Some people are afraid of making calls. Some people are afraid of talking to big customers. People at high position, they feel boss आएगा तो ही अच्छा है. I cannot handle such a big position. No, these are all your comfort zones. So what we do is we only do things that we are okay and comfortable with, known territory. And the magic, the money, the beauty, the growth always lies in unexplored territory, unknown territory. Okay, you conquer the known territory, make it as a routine, delegate and go to the next level. Be it your market, be it your customer base, be it the product. Don't fall in love with the product. Don't fall in love with the same pricing. Keep pushing your price to the higher. One or two major breakthroughs will give you the confidence that yes, I deserve a higher price. Okay, till the time you don't start demanding higher price, customers would like to have everything from you for free. Okay, so change happens, anticipate change, monitor change. That's why we have reviews. Why are we having reviews? We are monitoring what is happening. Why progress is not happening, why the orders are getting lost, why inquiries are not coming the way they should, why we are not visiting, what is stopping us. So when you keep reviewing, you should review other than my review also, not just before the review update the sheet. No, you should do it daily, introspect. I have so many inquiries, I have given so many offers, why I was not able to close. Can I always blame price? Can I always blame the competitor? Wasn't I supposed to do something as a salesman to make sure that I get those losing deals? Otherwise, what's the point of having a salesman? If you are only going to close on based on price, then we don't need salespeople. So that convincing, what you said, feature-based convincing is what is required. So monitor change, adapt to change. What if you're suddenly transferred to Hyderabad and said you stay there for the next 6 months? Are you ready to adapt? Or will your brain immediately shut down and say, nahi, ye to mere ko nahi jamega? So this is where you have to increase the elasticity of your mind, where you are flexible enough to do things which are uncomfortable, new, different, and sometimes better. It is always for the better. Anything new, different is always for the better. Many people join a company and for 2 years they say, sir, I am new in this company. I don't know the rules. Boss, you were new only on the first day of the job. From the second day you started stealing. अभी तुम पुराना हो गया, ठीक है ना? So never say I am new. Normalize the new. नए जगह पे आए हो, immediately adjust. नया customer demand है, adjust. नया product है, adjust. Normalize it as if you've been doing it for years. When T20 came, all those players who normalized it made money. All those players who could not fit into the new rules, they slowly, if you see, they're all redundant. That's why Dhoni is still there, right? Because he shifted from one-day test to T20 to IPL. He's consistently normalizing the new, as if सालों से कर रहा हूँ ये. Strategy, speed, सब change हो गया ना. Are we changing fast? Instead of time and situation pushing us to change, shouldn't we change on our own? And enjoy the change. Change is inevitable. You cannot avoid change. So you have to stay away from negative people, negative comments, negative energy, negative competition. You have to keep moving.
ने कुछ कह दिया,
हाँ वो बैठ गया,
फिर वापस
कस्टमर ने गाली दिया या डिले हो गया फैक्ट्री से. So we say अभी क्या फायदा है ये सब का? No, you have to bring yourself into a mind state of mind of positivity and productivity. For yourself, of course, for your goals. This is what it is. How do you get out of a cheeseless situation? Cheese यानी कि तुम्हारे सपने, तुम्हारा business. Number one, accept the situation. The cheese is gone. Accept it. Oh, I've lost this customer. Okay, accept it. Now what? How can I improve? Remember your journey. You had to find cheese last time also. You had to find a job last time also. So you have to keep adapting and moving, looking ahead, not look back. Don't be a past-based person. Don't be a past-based guy. Be a future-based guy. Reflect on your source. There has always been cheese. चीज की कमी नहीं है, बिजनेस की कमी नहीं है. मार्केट कभी भी सैचुरेट नहीं होता. वो सेल्समैन का माइंड सैचुरेट, उसको लगता है कि अभी मार्केट खत्म हो गया, कंपटीशन बढ़ गया, प्राइस है. You go to any other market, after 5 years you will start complaining about that market also. You go to any other company, you will start complaining about that company also. So that novelty factor you lose because you don't change. तो अपना novelty बना के रखना चाहिए. Should always be fresh in your mind. Okay? You should block the naysayers, the people who are negative and who create fear. Block them. Okay? अगर आप सर्च करोगे तो मिलेगा आपको. ट्राई ही नहीं करेगा, स्टार्ट ही नहीं करेगा तो कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. ठीक है? And most important, before you get the cheese, visualize the cheese as if you have already got it and start enjoying it. That's the easiest part, and they are saying it's the cheesiest part, right? So this is what is the major learning from movement cheese. The idea is all of us have to really push ourselves hard, morning till evening, ensuring we do things that are uncomfortable for us. ठीक है? Done.